Hey, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how we can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Lock Screen. Following that, click on Screen Lock Type and tap on the best option for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to set it up. Choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it, and then confirm it. Now you can manage notifications on your lock screen by clicking on this switcher and adjusting all of those options. When you're ready, choose Done. In order to back up your pattern, choose Agree. If you don't want to do it, click on Cancel and tap on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, against that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!